Naval shipboard applications, combat communication systems, and emergency telecommunication stations require the highest degree of reliability in some of the most difficult environments. Amphenol PCD M28840 Shipboard connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are highly reliable, high-density precision machine connectors that meet MIL DTL 28840 standards and are designed to withstand extreme environments and demanding applications. These are offered in 9 shell sizes with up to 155 pins, 6 keying options, and a variety of plating options. Back shells are available for strain relief, EMI shielding, and environmental sealing in straight, 45, and 90-degree options, with the option to buy connectors kitted with back shells and accessories. Crimp termination, rear insert, and front release contacts are available, with the same application tool used for all 3 contact types.